Hello, this is Nick from ReviewOutlaw.com. Today I want to show you an issue I'm having with my TV. I have the Yamaha audio system. I got 7.1 surround sound speakers in this room. And the issue that I'm having I'm using an Amazon Fire TV and watching Netflix. I'm going to show you the issue right now.
He's not the first. It used to be in a town like Greendale. Folks could leave their front doors.
So the audio is not, the speaking specifically is not very loud. So each time I go to Netflix, I got to go to audio, drop down, and go to original. And I'll play it now like this, so you can hear the difference.
Doors unlocked. Now kids are getting...
ReviewOutlaw.com. New videos every Thursday at 3 p.m. Subscribe today.
Right out of the yards.
Oh, Sabrina, Susie, see what time I'm at?
As you can tell, that's much louder. The problem is every single time I go to a video on Hulu or Netflix, I have to make that change in that setting. So I finally found out the way to fix that is that you go Fire TV, you go to the home, and then you go to settings, display and sounds. You go down to audio. Instead of selecting Dolby Digital plus automatic, you go to Dolby Digital plus off. Okay, so you go back to Netflix now. We'll play the same episode.
Sabrina, Susie, see what time I'm at?
Come sit on Santa's knee.
So as you can tell, the audio is much louder. And if we go back to audios and subtitles, there's not even an option for 5.1. It automatically defaults to that one that I'm changing it to. So hopefully that fixes your issues with the audio if you're using Netflix or Hulu and have low audio on the speaking. Hey, I really appreciate you watching this video. If you have time, please give me a thumbs up, share the video on Facebook or social media, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get a notification when new videos come out. Finally, if you leave me a comment, I love those. Really appreciate it. Have a great day, guys.